You can actually start your Tom Brown business with an amount of 100 Ghana cedis, and that is how I started my Tom Brown business. Okay, so I'm going to give you a breakdown of the prices and the ingredients that you can start your small scale Tom Brown production, okay, with just 100 Ghana cedis. So if you are looking forward to starting your Tom Brown business or looking forward to starting a small scale business, especially in Tom Brown production, please keep watching to the very end. Okay, so I'm going to give you a breakdown. So with the simple or original Tom Brown recipe, I have a video of that in my channel. You can check it out. So I'm going to be using the original Tom Brown recipe, the ingredients that are involved, and then the prices of the ingredients that you can start with. Okay, so with just 100 Ghana cedi, you can actually start this production of Tom Brown. Okay, and you can increase your production later on when you start getting profit, and you can make as much as 100% profit in this Tom Brown business. Okay, with just 100 Ghana cedi, you can sell 200 Ghana cedi and then get 100 Ghana cedi as your profit. Okay, so keep watching if this interests you. Okay, so I'm going to start with the ingredients that we can use for this simple or original Tom Brown recipe, and that is just 4 ingredients. Okay, it's just 4, so I'm going to be mentioning them. They are rice, wheat, soya beans, and groundnut, and that is just the simple or the baseline ingredient that I use in my Tom Brown production. But if you want to make it a little special, then you can find that I made some special Tom Brown recipes in my channel, which I added some special ingredients. But with the basic, which is the original recipe, it's just 4 ingredients, and that is what I just mentioned to you. Okay, so I'm going to mention the prices of the ingredients that I've been buying in Tamale here as 2024, and we are in April, right? So 2024 April, the prices of the ingredients that you can actually get in Tamale here, and then start your Tom Brown production, which is the rice. A bowl is 20 Ghana cedis, so you can buy a bowl of rice, local rice, for 20 Ghana cedis. You can buy a bowl of wheat. Okay, you know we have different type of wheat, but the medium one is what I actually use for my Tom Brown production. So some places you can get it 30 cedis, and other places, if you are not lucky, you will buy it 40 cedis. Okay, so we are going to take the minimum, which is 30 Ghana cedi, and that is where I always go to get my wheat, okay, to buy in large quantities. So they sell for a bowl for me 30 Ghana cedi. So the rice, which is 20 Ghana cedi, and then the wheat 30 Ghana cedi, that makes it 50 Ghana cedi, right? Let's keep on going. So I also do buy soya beans, and soya beans also, when you are getting your soya beans, you make sure that you get it the one that is really nice without a lot of debris and all that. If you get the one with debris, you have to work on it. And a bowl of soya beans in Tamale here is 15 Ghana cedis in the Ababu market. Okay, so you have to know where to get your ingredients at cheaper prices so you can maximize profit. Okay, so a bowl of soya beans is 15 Ghana cedis, and that is how much I always buy my soya beans in Tamale Ababu market. Okay, so, and adding to the 50 Ghana cedi earlier, that makes it 65 Ghana cedi, right? The amount of groundnut that I use per this measurement of Tom Brown is always lesser. You can see I mentioned a bowl of rice, a bowl of wheat, and a bowl of soya beans. Okay, the groundnut is going to be less, and that is very important in the manufacturing or the production of Tom Brown. If you overwhelm your Tom Brown with a lot of groundnut, you would not like the outcome of your Tom Brown. Okay, so we are going to get 15 Ghana cedis of groundnuts, and that is just the measurement for like 2 cups. Okay, 2 cups for 15 Ghana cedis. So when you add the 15 Ghana cedi to your previous 65, it will give you 80 cedi. Am I right? So that will give you 80 Ghana cedis, if I'm not mistaken, right? So 80 Ghana cedis. So we are left with 20 Ghana cedis, and with that we have gotten your ingredients complete aside salt. Okay, so we are going to add salt, which is optional. You can add salt or not if you want to produce your Tom Brown. Okay, so we are going to be making use of 2 Ghana cedis for salt. Okay, you get salt for 2 Ghana cedi. You are not going to use all of that, so you get the Annapurna salt, which is just the smallest one. You get it for 2 Ghana cedis, and you go to your local grinding mill or your local grinding machine, okay, in your area, and you get these ingredients. It is just going to be like 3 bowls or 3.5 bowls of cereals combined together. They are going to grind it for you for 10 Ghana cedi. If you are lucky, you can grind it for 7 Ghana cedis. Okay, if you grind it for 10 Ghana cedi, we still have 10 Ghana cedis with us. Okay, so with the packaging, you are going to get your rubber, your banku rubber, and that is what I use in packaging my Thom Browne for a bowl and half a bowl. So when you get your banku rubber for 3 Ghana cedi, let's add up the calculation. It's going to be here on your screen for you to see. Okay, so banku rubber for 3 Ghana cedis, your salt for 2 Ghana cedis. So we are left with 5 Ghana cedi, and that is what you are going to use to buy your charcoal. Okay, so let's say that you have nothing at all in your house, you have no charcoal, so you're going to use that 5 Ghana cedis to buy charcoal to toast your Thom Browne, to toast your cereals for the processing. Okay, so and that makes it 100 Ghana cedis to produce your Thom Browne. And of course, you have everything, and that is all you need to start your small scale Thom Browne production with 100 Ghana cedis, okay, in Ghana. So people kind of like, I don't have capital to start a business. You can start as little as you have. Just start it, okay, as little as you have. So with this 100 Ghana cedis and your time and your effort, you are going to start a small scale business in Thom Browne production. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe and then like this video. Comment below the amount that you can buy ingredients at your locality, and also comment below if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.